Cheer up. Gammadi. Relax. Bokadu. Take it easy. Suta godi. Be patient. Obsan egi. Be strong. Jaba.
Call me. Nabil Billi. Forgive me. Naftisi. Naftisi. Be quiet. Kallisi. Speak slowly. Suta dibadu. Come back. DBE. Great. Practice. Get ready. Qopheessi. Hurry back. Daffii deebii. Come again. Deebii kotu. Try again. Irra deebii yaali. Think fast. Daffii yaadi. Act now. Amma hojjetu. Great. Keep practicing and we look for it. Barbaadi. Find it. Argadu. Choose one.
Tokko filadu.
Pick it up.
Ol kasi. Put it down.
Gad kai.
Put it here as kai.
Great job.
Practice these actions.
Take it there. Achitti geshi. Bring it here. As fidi. Come early. Dafi dufi. Come late. Turi dufi. Go early. Dafi demi. Go home. Garamanati demi. Excellent. Keep practicing these useful commands and try. Write it. Barresi. Read it. Dubbisi. Learn it. Baradu. Teach me. Nabarsisi. Remember it. Yadadu.
Do your best. One danda'ame hunda godi. Keep quiet. Kalisi. Pay attention. Hubannu kanni. Look at me. Na ila ali. Listen carefully.
Hold on. Turi. Wait a little. Siko egi. Come slowly. Suta dufi. Go slowly. Suta demi. Speak clearly. Ifa'an dubbadu. Say.
Enjoy it. Itti gammadi. Be kind. Gaarii ta'i. Be honest.
Dhugaa dubbadu.
Be polite.
Kabaja qabaatu.
Respect others.
Namoota kabaaji.
Help others.
Namoota gargaari.
Wonderful. Keep practicing and sprinkle this.
Get ready. Qopheessi. Hurry back. Daffii deebii. Come again. Deebii kotu. Try again. Irra deebii yaali. Think fast. Daffii yaadi. Act now. Amma hojjetu. Great. Keep practicing and we. Decentralization. Angoo qoodinsaa. Federalism. Federalismii.
Union,
Waldaa.
coalition,
Tumsa paartii.
nationalism,
Yaada sabummaa.
citizenship.
Lammummaa.
Excellent. Keep practicing these civic terms.
Public administration bulchiinsa mootummaa, poolisii imaammataa, public policy imaammata mootummaa, decentralization bulchiinsa giddugaleessaa irra gadi buusuu, human rights mirga namoomaa, freedom of expression bilisummaa yaadaa ibsachuu, due process adeemsa seeraa sirrii, anti-corruption malaammaltummaa ittisuu, public accountability, pathology saayinsii dhukkubaa, etiology sababa dhukkubaa, prognosis tilmaama egeree dhukkubaa, epidemiology siinka lafaa chaayinsa dhukkubaa, morbidity hamma dhukkubummaa, respiratory system, sirna hargansuu, pneumonia, dhukkubaa sombaa, asthma, tuberculosis, TB, hypoxia, hankina oxygenii. Pain, dhukkubbii, fever, ho'aa qaamaa, cough, kufaa, headache, dhukkubbii mataa, nausea, dhibee garaa, vomiting, ol deebisuu, meet deadlines, yeroo murtaa'e eeguu, prioritize tasks, hojii dursi kennuu, balance work and life, hojii fi jireenya madaaluu,
Good. Gaarii. Bad. Badaa. Big. Guddaa. Small. Chiqa. New. Haaraa. Old. Muufaa. Hot. Ho'aa. Great. Keep practicing.
Wake up. Hirriba ka'u. Get ready. Kofaa'u. Have breakfast. Kubata ganamaa nyaachuu. Go to work. Gara hojii deemu. Be on time. Yeroon argamu. Take a break. Boqonnaa fudhachuu. Great. Practice these daily routine phrases and use them in. Take off. Ba'afachuu. Take off your shoes. Kopikkee baasii. Pick up. Fudhachuu. Pick up the bag. Boorsaa fudhadhu. Great. Practice these handy commands and use them in your daily conversations. Turn off. Damsuu. Turn off the TV. TV damsii. Look for. Barbaadu. I am looking for my phone. Bilbila ku barbaadaa jira. Great. Practice these useful actions and try them in your daily.
Wake up. Hirriba ka'u.
I wake up early. Ani ganama barikaa. Get up, ka'u. She gets up at 6. Isheen sa'ati jahatti kati. Great! Practice these morning phrases and use them in your everyday conversation.
Go out. Alatti bahu. We go out in the evening. Nu galgala alatti vana. Come in. Senu. Please come in. Malo seni. Great. Add these everyday phrases to your conversation.
Turn off. Dam soon. Turn off the TV. TV dam soon. Look for. Barbadu. I am looking for my phone. Bilbila ku barbada jira. Great. Practice these useful actions and try them in your day.
Find out. Hubbachu. I found out the truth. Duga hubbade. Put on. Uffachu. Put on your jacket. Jaketi ke uffadu. Great. Practice these new phrases and try them in your conversation. Go out. Alatti bahu. We go out in the evening. Nu galgala alatti vana. Come in. Senu. Please come in. Malo seni. Great. Add these everyday phrases to your conversation. Find out. Hubbachu. I found out the truth. Duga hubbade. Put on. Uffachu. Put on your jacket. Jaketi ke uffadu. Great. Practice these new phrases and try them in your conversation. Where are you going? Essa demta? I am going home. Gara manatti deemaa jira. Please help me. Maalo na gargaari. I don't understand. Naaf hingallu. Speak slowly, please. Meesuta. Hello, how are you? Akkam jirta? I am fine, thank you. Ani fayyada galatomi. What is your name? Maqaan keenyu? My name is Ahmed. Maqaan ko Ahmedda. Nice to meet you. Si argudan gammade. Great. Practice these greetings.
Inflation, gatii daballi. Poverty, hiyyummaa. Prosperity, badhaadhina. Growth, guddina. Production, umisha. These are today's new words. Galatom.
Inflation, gatii daballi. Poverty, hiyyummaa. Wealth, badhaadhina. Growth, guddina. Production, umisha. Consumption, fayyadama.
Pain, dhukkubbii, fever, ho'aqama, cough, kufa, headache, dhukkubbii mataa, nausea, dhibee garaa, vomiting, ol deebisuu,